I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by finding where plugins live for your app. Open the Extensions or Add-ons panel now. Look up Emoji in the store and filter by your platform so you avoid incompatible options. Once done, scan the plugin details, supported versions, permissions, and last update date. This tells you if it's safe and maintained. Make sure to prioritize official or highly rated entries. Doing this prevents conflicts and saves time later when you install and test. You click Install and accept only the permissions the plugin truly needs. Avoid granting broad access. During configuration, choose language, emoji set, and keyboard shortcuts so the tool matches your workflow. This reduces friction when you use it. Once configured, restart the app if prompted, then go to the plugin or extension settings to ensure it's enabled. If the plugin offers syncing or cloud options, enable them to keep emoji packs consistent across devices. You now verify functionality by inserting emojis into a chat, document, and any preview panes. Confirm appearance on mobile if applicable. If emojis misbehave, disable other extensions to isolate conflicts, then re-enable them one at a time to identify the culprit. If rendering still fails, clear the app cache and restart. Reinstall the plugin as a last step. One key troubleshooting tip: check console or logs for permission or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.